We're very lucky they didn't get shot. This was at close range and completely unexpected.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Winter storm warning in effect from 7 a.m. Tuesday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 9 inches. Areas affected include the eastern slopes of the Berkshires in western Massachusetts. When, from 7 a.m. Tuesday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts include travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Tuesday morning and evening commutes. Significant accumulation of wet, dense snow waiting on trees and power lines could cause them to be downed.